Welcome to the PicoBit-Tech channel. My name is Behnam Jafari, and in today's session, I'll show you how to write and run your first C program using Eclipse. This tutorial is perfect for those who have already installed MinGW and Eclipse IDE on their system and are eager to start coding in C. If you haven't installed this tool yet, no problem. I've prepared two step-by-step installation video for you. You can find the links to those videos at the top of this page. Let's go. Launch Eclipse. A dialog box will appear allowing you to specify the workspace directory. If you check the box at the bottom of this dialog, the selected directory will be set as the default workspace, and this window will not appear again in the future launches. Note that opening Eclipse might take a few moments. Click on the File menu, then select New and New Project. A wizard will open, choose C project and click Next. In the executable section, select Hello World NCC project. In the toolchain section, select the MinGW GCC compiler. Enter a custom name for your project in the project name field and click Next. The other field displays the name of the software creators. The Hello World greeting field is for a custom message that will appear in the Eclipse console when the program runs. The source field indicates the name of the folder where the C program file will be placed. There is no need to modify this field. Click Next and Finish to complete the project setup. Make any necessary changes to the program and save the project. Open the project and you will find the main project file inside the src folder. Click the Build button to compile the program. Ensure there are no error or warning in the console. To run the program, the path to the executable file in the debug folder needs to be linked to the Eclipse. Right-click on the project, then select Profile Tools, followed by Profile Configuration. In the Profile Configuration window, double-click on the C or C++ application. Browse to the executable file located inside the debug folder of your project and select it. Click Apply, then Close. Run the project. The custom message defined in the Hello World greeting field will appear in the Eclipse console.